Hello everyone. Happy September 28th. Today we celebrate good neighbors, strawberry cream pies, and the power of reading. Let's dive into 3 fun and thoughtful events. These moments are perfect for gifting, even if it's just to brighten someone's day. And if you missed out, don't worry. More exciting celebrations are coming soon. Stay tuned until the end of the video for all the details. First up, it's National Good Neighbor Day. A heartwarming reminder to connect and care locally. A great gift could be a homemade treat basket, a personalized welcome sign, or a handwritten note of appreciation. Who's a neighbor you're thankful for? Let's spread kindness in the comments. Next, it's National Strawberry Cream Pie Day. A sweet celebration of berries, cream, and flaky crusts. A tasty gift could be a pie-making kit, a strawberry-themed apron, or a recipe card with Grandma's twist. Ever baked one from scratch? Let's dish it out below. Before our last event enjoying these celebrations, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and hit that notification bell, so you never miss more amazing content. And hey, share this video with friends, they'll thank you later. And finally, it's National Read a Child a Book You Like Day. A lovely excuse to share stories across generations. A thoughtful gift could be a classic children's book, a cozy reading nook setup, or a storytelling puppet set. What book would you pass down? Let's turn the page in the comments. Don't forget to check out the video description. You'll find links to matching gift products for these events. And be sure to watch our daily videos, including one covering upcoming celebrations for October 26th to 31st. So you'll get gift ideas early. Thanks for watching, everyone. More celebrations are coming tomorrow. Stay awesome!